Kia ora koutou katoa, nau mai hoki mai ki Pukero Pauho.
We've got another exciting week to share with you, including a behind-the-scenes look at our upcoming school production and the return to one of our fun segments.
Let's get straight in it! First up this week, we're taking you behind the scenes of production practice.
With Fire Patrice here working with our students, it means we're getting closer and closer to our performance day.
This week classes have started learning their dance routines, and there's lots of excitement building around the kura as everyone prepares for the big show. We also caught up with some of the main characters to find out how they're feeling and how they've been practicing their lines at home.
Show me sadness, go! Nice! All right, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What number musical is this for Rotorua Primary School?
This is number 3. 6 years ago I was here and I directed Maui the Magnificent, and then 2 years ago it was Tangaroa's Tale of the Deep Blue Sea. And this year we're doing The Beatles.
Okay, thank you.
Right, can I have half a night take on one side, half a night on the other side? Maybe like every second person.
How have you been practicing at home?
I just read over the words that I don't know.
Are you excited or nervous?
Excited.
And how was your first practice with Fire Patrice?
Good.
Okay, thank you.
We can easily.
Mysterious beings, they come from afar. Strange shiny eyes, like a shimmering star. I let them come in, though if I feel dismay at something they do.
Are you nervous or excited?
Excited.
And how was your first practice with Fire Patrice?
Pretty good.
Practicing at home.
Good.
Are you excited or nervous?
Kind of nervous.
And how was your first practice with Fire Patrice?
It was good.
To see all the effort and confidence growing as rehearsal continues.
We can't wait to see everything come together on stage.
And now, What's Your Ick is back.
Our prefects went around the kura asking our tauira what their icks are about their kaiako or things around our kura.
Remember Kaya Koma, it's all
What's your
just
name? Sadella. And what is your school ick? Work. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Miss May.
And what's your ick, like about the school?
My ick is the school lunches.
Real.
What's your name?
4.
And what's your school ick?
The toilet smells.
Okay, thank you. Kia ora matua, what's your name?
Kia ora, ko matua Jack aho.
And what's your school ick?
School ick is smelly kids.
Okay, thank you matua. Kia ora, what's your name?
Kalia. Sophia.
And what's your school ick?
I don't like boys. I don't like boys either.
Hi, what's your name?
Asia.
And what is your school ick?
Distinct toilets.
Hi, what's your name?
Damien.
And what's your school ick? School ick. What do you not like about the school?
What?
What do you not like about this school?
Nothing.
So you like everything about school?
Yeah, hard.
Some very honest answers here.
And next week, our kaiako will be telling us what their icks are, so make sure you tune in for that.
That's all for this week's edition of Pukero Pauho.
A big mihi to everyone who featured in today's stories and to all who continue to support our kura.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel so our whānau can stay connected with everything happening at Rotorua Primary. Mauri ora kia pai tō koutou wiki, and we'll see you next time on Puki Noa Pop!